So you can't see your file extensions in Windows 11. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and display your file extensions so you can easily identify file types on your computer. No fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. All right, so here we are in Windows 11 and I've got my File Explorer open. This has a few files in this folder, but there aren't any extensions showing for any of these files, and that's what we're going to be turning on today. So we need to go ahead and open up our system settings. So down here at the bottom, we've got our start menu, and I find the easiest way to do this is to right click on it rather than left click. So we'll right click with our mouse, and then you'll see the settings option here. We can go ahead and open that up with the left mouse button. That'll open up our main system settings. Now over here on the left hand side, you're going to see a whole bunch of options, and we are looking for the system option. You can go ahead and select that. And then under system, we should be looking for the advanced option right here. You'll see it towards the middle. If you go ahead and select that. And then under the advanced, we're looking for the File Explorer option here towards the top. We can go ahead and left click on that and open it up. So I've gone ahead and split my screen here so we can see what happens in the File Explorer to the end of our files when we turn this on. So over here in our settings, it says File Explorer, Show File Extensions, and there's a little toggle switch here. You can go ahead and toggle that on. So if we left click on it, it turns blue. And now at the end of our files, we've got PDF, PNG, JPEG, MP4, so we can easily see what these file types are. If you want to turn it off again, you can just click that button again. But I like having these on so we can easily distinguish between the different file types. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.